3D printing is getting more and more accessible and more cost effective. So I think it's very interesting time to experiment some of these technologies in research and development. So this is a keychain that we printed off the new 3D printer that we got for our research group. Printer is by a company called Creality, which is a Shenzhen based company. Configuration part needed some figuring out, but it was pretty much print right off the box, and we could monitor the project progress remotely using the inbuilt camera. We'll design and print more components for the energy project that we are doing in my research group in the coming time. But overall, my first impressions are very good. Make a more detailed unboxing and configuration video in the coming time.